Good morning to everyone. I am Mary Sjctnc-C.Mary, Guest Lecturer, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about string functions in PHP. Before getting into the topic, let's see what is string. A string is a collection of characters. A string is a collection of characters. It is one of the data types supported by PHP. The string variables can contain alphanumeric characters. Alphanumeric means the variable can contain either alphabets or numbers or the combination of both alphabets and numbers. Strings can be denoted with single quotes or double quotes. Commonly used PHP string functions are listed below. Here there are 12 string functions we are going to discuss in this video. The string functions are string length, string reverse, string word count, string position, string replace, uppercase first, uppercase words, string to upper, string to lower, string repeat, string compare, substring. Let us discuss these functions one by one. The first function is string length. String length function is used to count the number of characters in a given string, including white spaces. White spaces is nothing but the blank spaces. So, string length function is used to count the number of characters in the given string. This is the syntax of this function. String length of string variable is the syntax of this function. Say for example, we are declare one variable text is equal to welcome to PHP. So using this string length function we are going to calculate the number of characters in this string. So we have to start counting from this W. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to include these blank spaces also. So, starting from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, there are 14 characters in this string. The second function is string reverse function. String reverse function is used to reverse a given string. This function is used to reverse a given string. This is the syntax for this function, string reverse of string variable. Example, we are declaring a variable subject is equal to welcome. Using this string reverse function, we are reversing the given string. So, when we write the welcome in the reverse order, the output will be EMOCLEW. The next function is string word count. This function is used to count the number of words in a given string. The string length, the first we have already seen one function, string length. String length function is used to count the number of characters in the given string. But the string word count function is used to count the number of words in a given string. Syntax for this function is string word count of string variable. Example, here we are declaring one variable subject is equal to open source technology. Using this function string word count, we are counting the number of words in the given string. So 1, 2, 3. Open is one word, source is the second word, and technology is the third word. So the output is 3. Then fourth function is string position. String position function is used to find the position of any text or word in a given string. This is the syntax for this function. And the example, For the variable subject, we are assigning the value open source technology. Suppose in this given string, if we want to find the position of the technology word, position of the word technology means we have to start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, include the blank space. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the technology starts at the position 12. So the output will be 12. The next function is string replace function. This function is used to replace a part of the string with some text. We want to replace the text with some other text means we can use this string replace function. The first argument of this function is the part of the string that user wants to replace. And the second argument is the new text user want to include. And the last argument is the string variable. This is the syntax of this function. String replace of, replace this, replace with, and the given string. Say for example, we are taking one variable subject is equal to CPP program. In this, if I want to replace this CPP with PHP means we have to write like this. CPP first, and with which we want to replace, we have to write that value here, and the given string should be comes here. So the output will be CPP is replaced by PHP. So the output is PHP program. The next function is UC first function. UC first function is used for formatting the string which converts first letter of the word in the string to uppercase. So this function is used to replace the first character in the string to the capital letter. Say for example, in the given text, everything is in the lowercase. If we use this UC first function means the first character in the string is G. This G alone is changed to the uppercase. So see, the output will be the first character in the given string alone is changed to the capital letter. The next function is UC words. You should not confuse with the UC words and use with the before function UC first and UC words. There is slight difference in between these two functions. The UC first function is used to change the first character in the given string to the uppercase. This function is used to replace every first character in the given string to the capital letter. Say in this example, good morning. The UC first function is changes only the G to the capital letter. If we use this function means it changes D also to the capital letter and M also to the capital letter. Changes every first character in the word to the capital letter. So the output will be G is capital letter in the word good and M is capital letter in the word morning. The next function is string to lower. This function is used to convert entire string into lowercase. Suppose if we want to convert all the characters to the lowercase means we can use this function string to lower. Say in this example, good morning, all the characters are in the capital letter. Suppose if you want to change all the characters into the small letter means we can use this function string to. The next function is string repeat. This function is used to repeat a string a given number of times. This is the syntax for this function. String repeat of string variable, comma, counter. Say for example, we are declaring a variable text is equal to PHP and we want to repeat this text for many times, means we can use this function string repeat, and we have to mention how many times we want to repeat this text, this string. Say we are mentioned 4 times, we want to repeat the string for 4 times, so the output will be PHP 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 for 4 times. The next function is string compare. This function is used to compare two strings. The comparison is done alphabetically. If the first string is greater than the second string, the result will be greater than 0. If the first string is equal to the second string, the result will be equal to 0. And if the second string is greater than the first string, means then the result will be less than 0, that is -1. Say for example, we are taking two variables. First variable is text is equal to PHP, and the second variable is string is equal to CPP. We are going to compare these two strings, string 1 and string 2. We are going to compare these two strings. Take this first character in the string is P, and the first character in the string 2 is C. Which is greater? Which comes first is greater. That is, C is greater. So, the output will be 1. The next function is substring. This function is used to take out a part of the string starting from a particular position of a particular length. Suppose if you want to separate a particular string from the given string, means we can use this function. Say for example, we are declaring a variable text is equal to welcome to PHP. In this given string, suppose if we want to separate a string which is starting at the position 11 and the length of the string is 3. So, which is in the 11th position, let us count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to include the blank space also. So, the string starting at the 11th position is P, and from the 11th position we have to take 3 characters. This is the length of the character 1, 2, 3. So, this function will return this PHP alone.